Sleep, my love, let peace attend thee all through the night. Guard your